Most teams don't know if they have insurance or not. West Virginia Chip can help. West Virginia Chip wants to know if you have insurance. You never know when you need medical help. When I was 6 or 7 years old, I needed to get a nickel removed from my throat. I have pictures in a nickel for proof. And I had to ride an ambulance all the way to Charleston, West Virginia. And without insurance, it would cost over $3,000. My parents have money, but they don't have that much money. For more information, go to www.wvinroads.org.